If you're wondering what those two shots were, it's kind of dark. Camera light wasn't bright enough, but two deer came out 20 yards. And I just nailed the one. So as soon as we get more light here, we'll go and we'll track it. Didn't go far, maybe another 25 yards, if that. So we should be maybe 5 yards in the woods. So not too far. Just shot a doe. We're gonna go find her now. So she's only about 20 yards right down our shooting lane here. And two of them came out. I let the first one go by. Waited about a minute. Second one came out. Sun's coming up a little more. Pounder. Should be right up in the woods. Another 20 feet. She was right in here when I shot her, somewhere down in here. I'm trying to find some hair or something. Look at this. Alright, see, this is where there's a track right here. We got some blood right here, you see that? There's some blood on that leaf there. Kind of dark out still. Look at, here she comes through here. She's running through here. More blood. More blood. More blood. Then along the edge here. Alright. There she is right there. There she is, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Nice little nub buck. That's exciting though. Right there. Man. Wow. Nice little deer. Look at, there's our decoy. And that deer wasn't 20 yards from him. Look at his tarsal glands. His tarsal glands are all wet. He's gotta be in full rut. I put some estrus scent out, some whitetail country estrus scent. And I think he was sniffing that stuff. I got the Glendale buck and I put a fake tail on it. And that was blowing there a little bit and they saw that. Brought him right in. Definitely got a good shot on him. Perfect shot on him. Perfect shot. Right through his heart. Didn't go far. Opener day here, about 7:15. Bagged our first deer. Just an awesome experience out here, getting it all on film and just everything. I don't even know what to say. It's awesome right now. So we're gonna clean this deer up, get it hung, and try another hunting spot for tonight. Maybe bag a nice buck tonight. Thanks.